We are doing problems. Differentiability level 1 problems. Last class, one problem we did half solution because of auto off in the video. Now we will continue the other half solution. What is that problem I gave is the second problem. Here, see, very simple. Function is given f of x multiplied a power 1 by x minus a power minus 1 by x by like that. A positive because understood we did a half solution also. F of 0 means x equal to 0, it is 0, that is given. Options differentiable, not differentiable, continuous. Okay, already we did first half, it is not continuous. Now we have to see differentiability because of the options it is important. He is asking differentiable at 0, not at 0, continuous at 0. Total discussion is about the origin. So what we do is here, we will continue with differentiability at 0. That means we have to see right hand derivative, left hand derivative. What is definition of f dash of 0 plus derivative right hand side of 0? Okay, right hand derivative of function about origin. Limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. This is called derivative by first principle, right hand derivative. Suppose it is left hand derivative, it will be minus and minus. That means h tends to 0, f of h into a power 1 by h minus a power 1 by h plus minus 1 by h is there. Minus f of 0 is 0 already defined by h because of definition. H cancel. You cannot put directly h value 0 because we have some results in the fundamentals. A power infinity is infinity for any base a. A power minus infinity must be 0. That means because why I wrote here infinity is when h is 0 or infinity like that. That means we should try to get these places instead of these places. How to get these places important? We need minus, not plus. Divide with a power 1 by h. 1 minus 2 by h. 1 plus minus 2 by h. Now you see, as h is 0, 1 by 0 is infinity, minus infinity, a power minus infinity is 0. This is also 0. 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0. Answer is finally 1, which is called right hand derivative of the function about origin. This discussion is that don't think it is very big solution. This all together in final exam, one part of the question they will ask you suppose suddenly, may not be full. Whether it is right hand derivative or left hand derivative or right continuously, left continuously, like that. Total solution will help for 3-4 varieties of questions. Now we are going for left hand derivative at 0. What is symbolic form? F dash of 0 minus. Then what is by definition? H tends to 0. F of 0 minus h minus f of 0 by minus h. F of minus h, how to consider? Substitute in the problem minus h into, here we are writing a power minus 1 by h minus minus plus 1 by h by minus 1 by h plus 1 by h minus 0 by minus h. Okay. Anyway, minus h is cancelled. H tends to 0. Now we need minus only. Now you divide with this. Actually, process is same but it is reverse. Minus 2 by h first. Minus 2 by h first. This element is 0. This is also 0. Minus 1 by. What is implied? Left derivative minus 1. Right derivative 1. What is conclusion? Since f dash of 0 plus not equal to not differentiable. Fx is not differentiable. Very important solution. At 0. So one part is compulsory in exams they select, may not be complete problem. There is that answer. Second option. Putting answer also equally important. Doing solution, giving correct answer, both are equally important. Now, third problem. Okay. Third problem also about differentiability. He gave two different functions. What are those two different functions here? Break up in the domain given f of x is equal to x square. Whenever it is less than or equal to some number x naught is a straight line other than the above. Given that it is differentiable at x naught, options a value, b value he is asking. Okay, now you see here. This is for if you put the graph, because getting idea in the graphical also is better. X naught is any real number, suppose. Okay, x naught is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Before x naught, it is a parabola. Y equal to x square is a parabola. Assume that x naught is here. This is called x naught, like 3. Okay. Actually, what is y equal to x square graph? Is a parabola, we know that. Like this. This is total parabola. But total parabola possible? Not possible. Up to x naught only, including x naught. This is not there. This is first. After x naught to y equal to mx plus c straight line. Y equal to mx plus c is a straight line only. Okay. On x axis y equal to 0 minus b by a minus b by something, and on y axis x equal to 0 minus b positive real number here. Suppose assume that b is here. That means it will not touch the line. Assume that it will go like this. It will not touch. There is a gap. There is a break. Now, what he is giving is differentiable. First you know derivative exists at this point. What is derivative of this? 2x is same as what is derivative of this? A. where it is derived at x equal to x naught. A value over. Or easy method I am doing. First option A x naught, 2x naught, second, third possible. Now we will see third option. Another condition. At this point they must be equal. X naught square is ax naught plus b. Substitute a value. 2x naught square. Take this here. What is b value? X naught square minus x naught square. Where is this answer? Simple differentiation I am using. Easy to finish it. Second option. So, better way of doing is important. Actually, we can go for left derivative equal to right derivative. Okay. Left hand side of x naught also we can do. Both are anyway same only. I wrote this only. Fourth problem. F of x is equal to modulus of x minus a into phi of x. Phi is a continuous function. And at that point a it is non-zero. Answers according to ABCD. F dash of a plus is equal to phi dash of a. F is differentiable at a. F dash of a positive is minus phi dash a. Negative means your left derivative minus phi a. This is fourth option. F dash of a plus is minus phi dash. A minus is minus phi dash, phi a. These are the options given. According to ABCD, why I wrote here, we have to start solution. What you know, that's not important. What is connection here in the ABCD? We need f derivative and phi derivative is present. Okay, here we have to start with. Okay, what we will start with here? So that modulus of x minus a into phi of x given. Here we have f dash a plus f dash a plus. We need derivative either for second option also we need derivative. Right hand side. So, what is definition for f dash right hand side? F dash of a plus h tends to 0. A plus h minus f of a by a plus h minus h. Now, this is okay. What is f of a plus h? H tends to 0. Modulus of a plus h minus a into phi of a plus h minus f of a. When x equal to a, by h. This is 0. Here a cancel. H tends to 0. Mod h is h because positive. Right hand side. Phi of a, h is 0. Minus 0 by h cancel. What you are getting? Phi of a. So f dash of a plus we are getting phi of a. But he gave phi dash a. First option wrong. Okay. Now we have to see f dash of a plus minus. This is also not possible. At a time, two options failure. Next derivative when you find, either you get this, if they are equal, you get this answer. So we are finding left hand derivative. F dash of a minus h tends to 0, a minus h minus f of a by a minus h minus a. H tends to 0. What is a minus h means? Modulus of a minus h minus a. Then phi of a minus h. Everywhere we have to substitute x value. Minus f of a anyway 0 by minus h. Here cancel. Then what is now? H tends to 0. Modulus of minus h is h. Phi of h0 by minus h. H also cancel. Answer finally minus phi of a. This is answer. Right hand side plus, left hand side minus. Not equal. Not differentiable. This is also failed. Compulsory other option will be correct. What is the answer they gave? This is correct. See, that much concentration we need for these problems. Okay. So fourth problem, fourth answer is correct. Like that we have to do the solutions. This level if you practice, what happens is you will get more ideas and depth in the chapter, so that you will be ready for any model in the exam. That is why that level we are practicing. Now, next he is asking only left hand derivative. Special function is there. Problem 5. Is see, fx equal to f of x is equal to step of x into sin pi x. Left hand derivative at x equal to k, where k is integer. Answers like this. Consider only left derivative, not complete solution he is asking. Okay, there is no question of full solution. Now write down left hand derivative at k means f dash of k minus limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus k minus f of 0 by minus k. Okay, that means k minus here step of x limit h tends to 0, k minus see k cancel. Write down step of k minus h. Step of k minus h sin pi into k minus h minus f of k. What is sin k pi? Integer k 1 2 3 4. Sin n pi is 0. We know it, this is for all integers. So 0 by minus h. Step of k minus h, where h is number, is k minus 1. Okay. Into, take this pi inside, sin pi k or k pi, sin k pi minus pi h by minus h. K minus 1 sin of n pi minus alpha. What is that? N pi minus alpha means where n is 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose n is 1, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta. Suppose n is 2, 2 pi minus alpha means 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant, sin is negative, minus, plus minus alternatively. Then how to write minus 1 power k? Here it is k. Okay, minus 1 power k sin pi h by minus h. Okay, minus h. Now, what we will do here? See, we need sin theta by theta. Theta tends to 0, 1. So, what is here? Angle pi h, but here it is only h. Okay. 1 pi multiply divided. K minus 1. This minus I will give here. Right? Minus 1 power k minus 1. Sin of pi h by pi h into pi. See, that is what. Okay. We know about this is 1. Now, minus 1 power k, 1 minus is extra. Actually, left hand derivative they are asking. If they ask right hand derivative, you will get answer. Anyway, we are doing. Okay. So, they give right hand derivative answer. Minus 1 power. Actually, 1 minus I have to write. Minus 1 power k plus 1 into pi. This is answer. If they give right hand derivative, it becomes plus, then the answer is given. Okay, that is not big issue. But solution we need. So, these are all about only one side he is asking. Left hand derivative. Okay. This is about special function. Suppose if they give right hand derivative k plus h, then here k plus h is positive, then k minus 1, you will not get minus, then it becomes the answer is here. Now, see, one more different problem. 6th, fx is equal to 1 when x is negative, x square when it is positive. At 0 he is asking continuous or differentiable like that. What is graph if you consider first of all? Okay, what is graph of this? See, when x is negative, y equal to 1 is a line parallel to x axis like this. It will not meet y axis, 0 not there. After the positive zeros, y equal to x square. You are not tracing the curve continuously. What is meaning of tracing continuously? Like this. This is continuous. Gap, break. Now there is a gap, break is there. Where you have break exactly? Origin. Means at 0, it is discontinuous. From the figure. Now we will see what is the answers he gave. Differentiable continuous, not continuous, sixth. Okay. Now we will see. I gave you only from figure. Answer is not continuous. Now we will see. To decide the continuity, we need left hand continuity. Limit x tends to 0 minus. First limits find out. X tends to 0, but x less than 0. For x less than 0, 1. So left limit is 1. Now right hand limit. What is that? X tends to 0 plus is same as x tends to 0 but greater than 0. X square is 0, which is same as actually f of 0. Means it is right continuous, but not only continuous, total continuous. Right continuous. Overall, since they are not equal, okay, limit does not exist actually. Limit does not exist at the origin. So it is not continuous. Discontinuous. Where is that answer? Fourth option. Fourth. Okay, because derivative does not exist. When limit not there, continuity not there, derivative not there. Everything not there, you are also not there. Okay. Therefore, fourth answer. Right, this is about the sixth problem. Then some more models are there. We will continue first level. Okay. Why? Because second level is not that much suitable to you. Exclusively very different level. At this moment, to this small unit, doing first level is enough. Whereas other chapters we will continue both levels. So if you see the next 4 or 5 models we will finish immediately. Then I will start very important chapter, differentiation. Most powerful and important for all the exams. Even for PUC it will be revision. All methods how to give answers also I will give you. Very very important, and it will be revision also. So next class we will finish this 4 or 5 problems immediately. We are going for differentiation. Very very powerful. Okay. Today's class is finished.